Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at silver, as there could be a seasonal short opportunity forming. Now if I just bring in the seasonal heat map, we can have a little look at why we're looking at the potential for silver to move lower. Now if we actually look at and highlight the metals in general, you can see sort of copper, gold, palladium, silver through the month of March usually perform pretty poorly, and that's given me the idea to have a look at the silver and the potential for price to fall. Now other interesting things to look at is that metal prices have been going up lately due to the fact that inflation has been rising. The Federal Reserve yesterday hiked interest rates and are looking to control the rate at which inflation is rising. That's put a bit of downward pressure on some metals, and silver in particular has rejected this recent high area quite aggressively. So that to me is showing signs that we could start to see a bit of downside pressure. Not only this, the commitment of traders reports are showing that the commercials are holding the highest amount of short contracts than they have in the past 6 months. So that basically tells me that commercials are shorting at these prices, and that we could see prices maybe revert back down into these swing lows through here. How can we trade that though? If price is going to move to the downside, what I would be anticipating here is the 4-hour downward trend. And if I just zoom out here on this 4-hour, we can see that price has broken through this sort of trend here, where the market was making significant higher highs and higher lows through there. Price came up into that major resistance level, and we saw a very common pattern form, which was a head and shoulders pattern. We've got the left shoulder, head, right shoulder of the pattern, and price has broken through that. So a very common Forex pattern there being formed on silver. Now what's interesting to me is supply and demand zones. I like the idea of looking at where price came in or where price started to sell off from. So I'm looking at some different areas. Now price has broken into fresh lows here, taking out these lows. I'm looking at the last bullish candlestick before price made the new low, and we've come up very close into that level so far. So we're very close to potentially looking for short opportunities here on silver, because what I would like to see is price push into this level, reject it, and move to the downside. Look at those rejections is what I'm kind of looking for, and you could either look at it on this time frame, or you could look at it on a lower time frame where we see changes in trend patterns like the head and shoulders pattern or the double top. Anything there that could suggest that sellers are entering the market at this point would be an interesting opportunity on silver, I think. We also have some high volumes through this level as well. The volume level at the moment is sitting around about 2560s through there. So again, could price kind of come up into this supply zone through here, reject it, reject that volume level, and push lower. That's what I'm looking for there. So a potential seasonal short opportunity forming on silver. If you do have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section below. It'd be good to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll catch you in the next video.